Mounting the LokkLatch magnetic gate lock is quick and easy on most gates. Take the two black handle trims supplied and, noting the small starting slot in both handles, simply click them into place. Take the larger of the two lock housings and prepare to mount it onto the inside of the gate. The product comes supplied with a fitting jig that indicates where to mark and drill holes. Use the jig on both sides of the gate, using a marked pencil line on the edge of the post to correctly align the two holes required. Attach the polymer connecting rod to the main housing and slot it through the gate frame. Then, take two of the self-drilling screws supplied and mount the housing onto the gate frame. Then open the gate slightly and secure the side fixing legs with two more screws. Insert the two dress caps supplied so that your screw holes are now covered. Move to the outside of the gate and insert the fitting jig over the connecting rod. Use a hacksaw to trim the rod to the outside of the jig. Now, take the remaining lock housing and slot it over the rod so that it is centered and sits neatly into place. Take two more self-drilling screws and mount the housing onto the gate frame. Insert the two remaining dress caps to cover the screw holes. Open the gate slightly and secure the side fixing legs with two more screws. Going back to the larger inside housing, place the keeper onto the fence post so that it is centered with the housing. Take four more screws and secure the keeper to the post while locating the screws in the middle of the adjustment slots. Insert the long silver screw as shown, then slide the cover plate into the corresponding keeper channels so that the long screw can engage with the plate. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to horizontally adjust the keeper plate so that it aligns correctly with the main housing. Your LokkLatch magnetic gate lock is now ready for use.